What's up, everybody? Want to do a quick walkthrough with the Satisfy AI how to short form content for, let's say, roofers. So we want to go social media master. Right here, it'll come up with a whole social media post, short form script, and everything. Home and business owners. Actually, yeah, let's do it for plumbers. We'll do plumbers. So since it's already in there, my fault. We'll go humorous, Facebook, main goal traffic. Here we go. Think talkative toilets and giggling pipes. That's the sound of your home asking for a hero. Did you know that ignoring small leaks? Blah, blah, blah. Pretty good, pretty good. And then so you just want to take, right here's your short form script. You just take that. Copy that. Go over to master videos. Go to text. Paste that in there. You go in, put your logo. Change the circle, stopping ads. Change your voice. Go with Bill. Change the music. Bring that down a little bit. Change the transcript color. Green.
Ever heard your faucet sing at night? It's trying out for a plumbing opera. We've all been there. Unexpected plumbing drama that turns your home into a water world. Minus Kevin Costner. Don't let those surprise leaks spoil your day. Our team cracks down on home plumbing mysteries faster than you can say plumber. No more dodging burst pipes like it's an extreme sport. Ready to perform a waterfall cancellation call? Visit our website and let the plumbing magic flow.
That was obviously the humorous input in the description here. Anyways, that's easy as that. You just take that video, download it, then you just upload it to your social media. Then you got your post right here to go with it. You copy paste that. It's already got your hashtags in there, emojis and everything. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Check it out. Sassify AI, and the start a free trial. Check it out. Link will be in the description, y'all.